How to add quantity on Shopify. So adding quantity is pretty simple on Shopify. First, log into your Shopify store, then head on to your dashboard. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the products section on the left side panel. Click on it, then select inventory. In this page, you'll be able to see all the listed products in your store. Now you can just simply edit the quantity of your products available by clicking on the text box under the available column and just input the number or adjust the quantity by clicking the arrows. Also, you can edit the on-hand quantity as sometimes the number of products available isn't equal to the number you have on hand. You can also edit on-hand quantity by just putting in the number or adjusting it by clicking the arrows. After that, just click Save on the top right, and that is how to add quantity on Shopify. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.